Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the T3 Featherweight StyleMax hairdryer, a high-tech option from a renowned brand in hair care. Let's start with what makes the T3 Featherweight StyleMax stand out. It comes packed with advanced features designed to cater to various hair types and styling needs. First off, it includes 4 different attachments: a drying concentrator, styling concentrator, soft touch 3 diffuser, and a smoothing comb. Each attachment serves a specific purpose, from rough drying to enhancing curls and adding volume. The design blends modern aesthetics with functionality. It's compact yet robust, with a choice of colors white, graphite, and satin blush. Personally, I find the build quality quite sturdy, though the design might not appeal to everyone. You get a cool shot button for locking in styles and 5 heat settings, complemented by 3 speed options. The controls are straightforward once you get the hang of them, though some users may find them a bit tricky at first. Now, let's talk performance. Powered by T3's digital ion air technology, this dryer promises to reduce frizz and minimize heat damage. It's efficient in drying hair quickly, depending on the attachment and mode selected. I found the styling concentrator great for sleek styles, while the diffuser really enhanced natural curls. However, I did encounter some issues with overheating attachments and occasional scalp discomfort, a concern echoed by other users. Wrapping up, the T3 Featherweight StyleMax is a versatile hairdryer with a lot of potential. It's ideal for those looking to experiment with different styles and prioritize hair health. However, it's not without its quirks, like overheating attachments and a bit of a learning curve with the controls. Ultimately, whether it's worth the investment depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a reliable daily dryer, you might want to consider other options. But if versatility and advanced features are your priority, the T3 Featherweight StyleMax could be a worthy addition to your hair care arsenal. That wraps up our review of the T3 Featherweight StyleMax hairdryer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique. I'll see you next time.